So I'm here today in BAHCELI. I've come to view a 2-bedroom apartment. Just in front you've got a nice little terrace area there. Upstairs here. There you've got another set of stairs down to a garden area. We come in, American style kitchen, lounge, diner, air conditioning throughout, nice ceramic flooring. As I say, 2 bedrooms, air conditioning throughout, plenty of wardrobe space, 1 family bathroom, good sized shower cabin, 2nd bedroom. Again, you can see good size area. Here a little Juliet balcony, views over the gardens and the mountain range. Communal pool just over there, about 50 meters away. And the second viewing here of the kitchen, lounge, diner. It's a good size area, and here just off the sitting room you've got a wraparound terrace, good sized terrace area. View over to the Mediterranean, looks over the gardens and the communal pool. But it's a very well built property, very stylishly furnished. Very close to plenty of facilities. You've got restaurants, bars, markets, 2 golf courses, probably a 10-minute or so drive away, the Corinium Championship course and a new links course being built on the other side of the road, 45 minutes to Kyrenia and around about an hour to Ercan Airport. But this is a very nice property on at a very sensible price. Nicely furnished. It was a holiday home, but fully kitted out. It has all of the necessary equipment you need for full-time living or holiday living or as a rental investment. And here you've got the outside terrace area. And from this terrace you've got a nice view down to the Mediterranean. It really is a very, very nice apartment. Very nice indeed.